Hello everyone, my name is Ben at TV Parts Today, and in today's video we are going to be teaching you how to remove the back plate as well as the boards from this LG unit. It is model number 55UM7300PUA. If you are having display issues, we are going to be teaching you how to remove the main board. If you are having power issues, we're going to be teaching you how to remove the power supply board. And let's jump right into it. Once we have the television laid down here on its face, the first step is going to be to go through the entire back panel and get all of the screws out of the back. So we're going to go ahead and get that process finished and we'll move on to the next step. All right, so once we finish that process, we do want to go through and give it one more check just to make sure we didn't miss any screws. After we get done with that, I'm going to slowly lift up on the back plate here just to make sure that there's not any sort of wires or anything that might be connected inside to the chassis. And it looks like we are good to go. And we lift the back plate up and away from the chassis, and that does give us access to the boards in the back of the unit. Starting with the main board, the first step is going to be to go around the outside and get all of the clips and connections away from the board. So these two right here are ribbon cable connections. There are two black plastic flaps on the very top that we're just going to get our fingernail up under and then pop those up. After that happens, we're just going to very gently go through these and try to loosen them up. And we can just put a little bit of downward pressure with our finger right where the ribbon cable meets the connection. That can kind of help it loosen up sometimes. We do want to be very gentle with these. We don't want to cause any damage to the ribbon cables themselves or the connections. This guy right here is going to have two buttons on the right and left side that we're going to depress with our finger, and we're going to pull the whole thing away from the board. This one is going to have a clip on the back that we're going to depress with our finger or our fingernail. Once we let that clip go, it just pops right away from the board. The one back here in the back is another ribbon cable connection, so we're just going to get our fingernail up underneath that black plastic flap and just lift it up and away. And then we want to kind of loosen up this connection here and then just pull it out and away from the board. Looks like we got a handful of screws and this should come away. After the screws come out, the main board does just lift up and away, and that is the main board for this unit. Next up is the power supply board. There are just two connections that we want to get away from the board first. This one is going to have a lever or a little button that we can press here on the back of this clip, and it lets the whole thing out. We depress that button, just slide it away from the board. This one is going to have two buttons on the right and left side that we want to depress with our fingers and then pull the thing away from the power supply. After that, we've got a handful of screws around the outside and this board will be finished. After the screws come out, we can just lift the power supply up and away, and that is the power supply board for this unit. That's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about this or any other TV repair, you can give us a call at 930-212-1975, or you can send us an email to info@tvpartstoday.com. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.